How to recognize an original research article. If your professor asks you to locate a research article or study, you should look for an article that is based on research that the authors of the article conducted and then wrote about. Research in this case means something based on observation and that collects data in a methodical way. This type of article may also be referred to as an empirical or primary research article or study. This kind of article is most often published in a peer-reviewed or refereed journal. While original research articles can vary by discipline, they generally contain standard sections that will help you recognize them. These sections include basic citation information, abstract, introduction, also called background or literature review, methods or methodology, results or findings, discussion, conclusion, and references or works cited. Basic citation information, including the journal title, article title, authors, date, volume, page numbers, and often a DOI, or digital object identifier, number, is usually found at the top of the first page. The abstract is a brief summary of the article. It typically highlights the aim, methods, results, and conclusion of the article. There may also be keywords assigned to the article in this section. The introduction is a brief discussion of what is known about the topic and provides background. It also identifies gaps in knowledge. This section will have a number of references to other sources. Some studies break the introduction into two sections: background and literature review. The purpose of the current study can often be found towards the end of this section. The methods section explains the research process used for the study. It is usually very detailed and includes the study design, who approved the study, who the participants were, how they were selected, and how data was collected and measured. The results or findings section describes what the study found or the results of the research produced. This includes an analysis of the main findings. This section often includes a lot of numbers along with tables and charts that summarize the data. The discussion section explains the results in narrative form. Authors discuss what the results of the study mean, why they are important, and how the findings relate to the field as a whole. The conclusion section sums everything up and may identify limitations or areas for further study. Some research articles use the last paragraph of the discussion section to provide a concluding summary, rather than having a separate section. The reference list contains all of the sources used in the article following the designated style guide of the journal. While this varies by discipline, the most common styles are versions of APA, MLA, or Chicago style. If you have any questions, contact a librarian.